So guys, this is Tony Stark, Iron Man. Now we will see what is the story. Billionaire playboy and genius industrialist Tony Stark was kidnapped during a routine weapons test. His captors attempted to force him to build a weapon of mass destruction. Instead, he created a powered suit of armor that saved his life. From that day on, he used the suit to protect the world as the invincible Avenger armor. Recently, Stark Ultimate's virtual reality, The Escapes, was hacked by the controller. Tony and his team freed the VR world, but while Tony was under the motherboard AI control, he also had a drink his first in years. To make matters worse, motherboard confirmed Tony's deepest fear that after rebooting his DNA to cheat that he is merely a simulation of the true Tony Stark. Back in reality, Tony now has to grapple with the revelation while also dealing with the absence of Jocasta, who quit after learning Tony downloaded Friday's AI system back into his suit, an action that led to her death. So this is the writer, artist, color, letter. Now see, you won't remember this. It's free. It's from 3 hours ago. You were flying back from Avengers Mountain with Captain Marvel. Not and it's just not escape. Not just that. It in this the escape. I also confirmed my worst fears. I am not only original Tony Stark. What do you mean you can't be my AA sponsor anymore? Tony, did you start drinking again? Virtually what? While I was trapped in a virtual reality world, the escape I was tricked into having a few drinks. It was not real coral carol, but it sure felt that way. Every biological scrap of me is gone. I am a genetic simulation with digital memories, a flawed copy that fell off the wagon. Until I can wrap my mind around that, I can't be anyone's sponsor. Pause. And that's when it hit me, or rather, me well. The me of 3 hours ago. One of my problems provided a simple solution to the other. Digital memories can be erased. All I had to do was delete everything that happened back to the point before. I took those drinks and I had literally be wiped clean and sober. Of course, then I had have to make a recording of me explaining all of this to myself. Bit of a win-win though. Oh, do I always sound that smug? Because I do love the sound of my own voice. Yeah, I do. So here is everything you have missed. Take notes. Recent event. You build a mind device to fix your alcoholism but did not follow through with it. You fought a dragon which was awesome. Then you helped Thor and the Avengers fight elves, troll and giants. Did some good work there. Saved the world. Those are the broad strokes. Here at Stark Unlimited things could be better. The escape was a total fiasco. You are facing a million lawsuit. Jocasta quit, Amanda left. Wait, slow down. But on the police side, things are great with Janet Rhodes standing by you. The controllers defeated, and you got to kill your virtual parents, which was very therapeutic to go you. What? I know that's a lot to take in, but one last thing since y'all better now. I called Carol and said you could be her sponsor again. She's on her way. That's all. Go well. I think I'll go well. Shut up, Tony. I just got your stupid smirking message. Yeah. Yeah, Carol, I know I'm just catching up myself here. Past me is annoying, but you have gotta admit it is a pretty clever solution to the whole alcoholic thing. There is no clever solution to being an alcoholic. You can't just fix this with a snap of your fingers. If you need any specific details from the past 2 weeks worth of your memories, consult this convenient portable memory engram hard drive right here. Good luck. Where is the hard drive, Tony? If this is a practical joke, I'm playing on myself. I'm a kind of impressed, but intruder alert. Oh, good. Intruder alert. Out of my way. Hey, what are you? Stark security. You in the stealth stuck. Whoever the you are going down. Hmm. Well, shot me, Scabe. Now it's my turn. Spy Master, thanks I'm keeping this. Fine, but I'll have to charge you for it. Ah, Bethany, this is Rhodes. All hands to the hangar bay. We have to eyes on the intruder and a person down copy. Everybody stay calm. Between myself and Captain Marvel, we'll have this situation under control. This will all be wrapped in a few minutes, and if not, we'll just delete those minutes and pretend it was. Tony, there has been a breach. I'm sorry. Cabe, you spotted a steel suit with the naked eye. Stop beating yourself up. You are amazing. Not Manticore. Love your new rides. Roads, and if I take her for a spin, don't worry, Roddy. Sinclair's good, but he can fire any of her weapons, not without the passcodes. Hey, shellhead. Those would not happen to you to be passcodes you know. Knew 2 weeks ago, would they? Targets acquired. So, Tony, how is this really clever solution working out for you so far? Not helping. Across town on Fifth Avenue, BNC. I appreciate you staying in touch, Janet. I assume that since I quit Stark Unlimited and left Team Tony, you would not have anything to do with me. Huh? Don't be ridiculous, Jocasta. Work is work, but shopping is forever. When my life began, I was essentially naked. I did not understand clothing, but now I am fine assembling my wardrobe quite pleasing. Perhaps that fashion sense come from the mind and grams I share with you, Janet. Just one of my many fine qualities. Speaking of engrams, Tony is learning all kind of stuff about his brain since he came back. Aaron told me Tony discovered he is a biological simulation of his human self. Jocasta, no, I was just making small talk. Is not it. A human using AI as a tool and ignoring its well-being is wrong. But if Tony is indeed one of us, then it's even more obscene. You two have more in common than you thought. Did he ask to advocate for him? to try to get me to return to Stark Unlimited. Your boyfriend killed Friday. His assistant, my friend. It's not like that. I don't think it's. Of course, you don't, Janet. You and your kind always have a different moral standards for different beings. Bentronics, the private workshop of Arno Stark. I want to see everything. Show me how you did it faster. Father, show me how you brought my mother back from the dead. Activate Mistress Protocol. All systems activate. Where am I? What is this?
अरे उसको नींद है ये बहुत बदमाश है यार बहुत बदमाश है उसको नींद आ क्यों उसको पसंद कर रहा है
It's okay, Maria. I am here. You are safe. H. Howard, what type have you done? The same thing I always do, my dear.
कौन खाया प्लेट में खाना
All systems activate.
चलो के लिए पेट हो पे ध्यान दो
बहुत निकल गया है।
पैसा है तो तुम आंडे की खाने में लो ना शरीर पे ध्यान दो जैसे लग रहा है ना कि कहीं कहीं जो सेट उठा है